Hello everyone. In nervous system, now we are going to learn about different definitions and topics. Generally, આ જે topics છે એ એક્ઝામની અંદર નથી પૂછાતા, પણ having this knowledge is necessary because આગળની જેટલી પણ phenomena we are going to learn in nervous system, we have to have this knowledge about these things. So we'll start with neuroglia first. Definition: neuroglia or glia is the supporting cell of the nervous system. અહીંયા ગ્લિયાનો મતલબ ગ્લુ તરીકે લીધેલો છે. Neuroglia cells are non-excitable and do not transmit nerve impulse. So these cells are also called non-neural cells or glial cells. मतलब એમાંથી જે નર્વ ઇમ્પલ્સ છે પસાર નથી થતો. When compared to the number of neurons, the number of glial cells is 10 to 15 times greater. मतलब જે નર્વ સેલ્સ હોય છે તેનાથી 10 થી 15 ગણા વધારે હોય neuroglial cells. Neuroglial cells play an important role in the reaction of nerve during the infection. Most commonly, neuroglial cells consist the site of tumors in nervous system. मतलब જ્યારે કોઈ ઇન્ફેક્શન લાગ્યું હોય ત્યારે જે ન્યુરોગ્લિયલ સેલ્સ છે it plays a role. Classification of neuroglial cells. Neuroglial cells are distributed in central nervous system as well as peripheral nervous system. Accordingly, the neuroglial cells are classified into two types. First is central neuroglial cells and second is peripheral neuroglial cells. Central neuroglial cells. Neuroglial cells in CNS are of three types: astrocytes, microglia and oligodendrocytes. Astrocytes એટલે શું? Astrocytes are star-shaped neuroglial cells present in all part of the brain. Two types of astrocytes are found in human brain. First is fibrous astrocytes and second is protoplasmic astrocytes. બહુ ડિટેલમાં આપણે નથી જતા આના ટાઈપ્સના અંદર પણ, because actually it is not necessary for us. Now we'll see the function of astrocytes. First function is twist around the nerve cells and form the supporting network in brain and spinal cord. Second, form the blood-brain barrier and thereby regulate the entry of substances from blood into brain tissues. Third, maintain the chemical environment of ECF around CNS neurons. Fourth function is provide calcium and potassium and regulate neurotransmitter level in synapses. Fifth function, regulate recycling of neurotransmitter during synaptic transmission. એનો બીજો ટાઈપ જોઈએ, microglia. Microglia are the smallest neuroglial cells. These cells are derived from monocytes and enter the tissue of nervous system from blood. These phagocytic cells migrate to the site of infection or injury and are often called the macrophages of CNS. વાયવાની અંદર પૂછાય generally. What can be the functions of microglia? First, engulf and destroy the microorganism and cellular debris by means of phagocytosis. And second, migrate to the injured or infected area of CNS and act as miniature macrophages. Third type જે હતો, oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are the neuroglial cells which produce myelin sheath around the nerve fibers in CNS. Oligodendrocytes are also called oligodendroglia, and oligodendrocytes have only few processes which are short. What can be the functions of oligodendrocytes? It provides myelination around the nerve fibers in CNS where Schwann cells are absent. Second, provides support to the CNS neurons by forming a semi-stiff connective tissue between the neurons. in figure we can see oligodendrocytes, microglial cells, fibrous astrocytes, and this is the protoplasmic astrocytes. We are not going into detail, just for your info. Now જેનો સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ હતા ન્યુરોગ્લિયલ સેલ્સ વિચ વોઝ પેરિફેરલ ન્યુરોગ્લિયલ સેલ્સ, એના ટાઈપ્સ જોઈએ તો ન્યુરોગ્લિયલ સેલ્સ ઇન PNS are of two types. First is Schwann cells and second is satellite cells. Schwann cells વિશે આપણે આગળ પણ જોયું છે. Schwann cells are the major glial cells in PNS and એના ફંક્શનમાં it provide myelination around the nerve fibers in PNS. It plays an important role in nerve regeneration, and it removes cellular debris during regeneration by their phagocytic activity. જ્યારે આપણે આગળના ચેપ્ટરમાં જોયું ત્યારે આખી પ્રોસેસ જોઈ હતી. Second is satellite cells. Satellite cells are the glial cells present on the exterior surface of the PNS neurons, and the functions are it provide physical support to the PNS neurons, and it helps in regulation of chemical environment of ECF around the PNS neurons. So it was about neuroglia or neuroglial cells. In continuation, we will move forward to another topic, which is synapses. Okay. Synapses. Definition. Synapse or synapse बने के बारे में. Synapse is a junction between two neurons. It is not an anatomical continuation, but it is only a physiological continuation between two nerve cells. मतलब anatomically we cannot see that, but it is having that importance as physiologically. Classification of synapse. Synapse is classified by two methods. First is anatomical classification and the second is functional classification. Anatomical classification. Usually synapse is formed by axon of one neuron ending on the cell body, dendrite or axon of the next neuron. Depending upon ending of axon, synapse is classified into three types. Axonic synapse, in which axon of one neuron terminates on axon of another neuron. Second is axodendritic synapse, in which the axon of one neuron terminates on dendrite of another neuron. Third is axosomatic synapse, in which axon of one neuron ends on soma, matlab the cell body of another neuron. Functional classification. Functional classification of synapse is on the basis of mode of impulse transmission. According to this, synapse is classified into two categories. First is electric synapse and the second is chemical synapse. However, generally the word synapse refers to a chemical synapse. Functions. And the functions શું હોઈ શકે? Main function of the synapse is to transmit the impulses. For example, action potential from one neuron to another. However, some of the synapses inhibit these impulses, so the impulses are not transmitted to the postsynaptic neuron. On the basis of function, synapses are divided into two types. First is excitatory synapse, which transmit the impulses. Second is inhibitory synapses, which inhibit the transmission of impulses. જેમ આગળ પણ કહ્યું કે જનરલી આ ટોપિક એક્ઝામની અંદર આપણે નથી પૂછાતું, બટ વી મસ્ટ હેવ ધ આઈડિયા અબાઉટ વોટ સાયનેપ્સ ઇઝ. સો ફોર ધીસ લેક્ચર ધીસ ઇઝ ઇટ. We'll meet again with another lecture, and if you are having any query, let me know.